Alright, so here we're looking at 1.2. 1.2 exercise number 17. So we have 3 different data points for attendance for 3 different shows. And we are wondering what must the attendance be of the 3rd show so that the average attendance over all 3 shows is 3,000. Finding the average, you probably remember from your years of 7th grade. If I'm finding the average of 3 different data points, I just add them up and divide by 3, right? So that's how we're going to start. I'm going to say 2,580 plus 2,920 plus x, and I'm going to divide all of that by 3, like so. That's how you find the average of 3 data points. So that's how I'm going to start by setting up my equation. And the average that I'm shooting for is 3,000. So I'm going to write 3,000. Now I know what you're thinking. Mr. Bywater, aren't these 2 constant terms? And can't I just combine like terms? Jason, can't I just combine the like terms and simplify this? And to you I say yes. So real quickly in my calculator, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to say 2,580 plus 2,920. And we get 5,500, so I'm going to rewrite this. 5,500 plus x, please be writing this down with me, is equal to 3,000. Now I know what you're thinking, Mr. Bywater, I don't like fractions. And to you I say, well, good news, because we can eliminate this fraction. Here's how I'm going to do that. If I'm dividing something by 3, I want to do the opposite. I want to multiply by 3. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. Sometimes you'll hear me say clearing the denominator. Clearing the denominator. They're going to cancel out. Just got rid of it. I'm left with 5,500 plus x is equal to 3,000 times 3. That is 9,000. Didn't even need a calculator. And this looks much better. Now I'm left with one operation to get rid of. I have this addition going on, have this positive 5,500. Opposite of that is negative 5,500. We're going to subtract 5,500 from both sides. Okay, once again, got that inverse business going on. It's going to cancel out and leave me just with x on the left side of the equal sign. On the right side of the equal sign, 9,000 minus 5,500 is going to leave me with 3,500. So now I'm claiming that in order for the average attendance to be 3,000, I'm claiming this last show I better have 3,500 people there. 3,500 people there. Last thing I'm going to do is just check my work. I'm going to see, does this make sense? Is it reasonable? Does that seem reasonable? So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to actually take the average real quick. So I'm going to add those 3 numbers up. 2,580 plus 2,920 plus 3,500. I'm going to enter that, and let's go ahead and divide by 3 to take the average of those 3 numbers. And then we're left with 3,000, so that would give me an average of 3,000. So that looks good. And there you have 1.2, number 17.